geography. Geography meaning
Name
geo
itself.
plus graphics.
Yeah.
So this subject goes by graphics. A geographer is one. Ptolemy, I would like to quote Ptolemy here. He's father of cartography. So he said, geography is the art of map making. So a geographer is one who is good in making maps. Now nobody should fear about it. You don't have to be Hussain और राजा रवि वर्मा की पेंटिंग बनाएंगे और डायग्राम्स बहुत सुंदर होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. टाइम नहीं है वहाँ बनाने का ना. You are not simple diagrams, simple sketch maps, simple plan maps, simple schematic maps, simple India map, simple world map. 5-6 practices you are required. But in every question there must be some kind of graphical presentation, because that is the true definition of geography.